Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update or install drivers on Lenovo Ideapad C340. There are different methods of doing that and I'm gonna show you all of them. So let's begin by going to settings. This is like the native method. I think the easiest one to get, but before that I need to connect myself to Wi-Fi since I'm not connected yet. And once I'm connected, I should be able to go to Windows Update and then either click on check for updates, or already you'll have an option to download and install all. So I'm gonna click on that, although I'm not gonna wait for too long because there are other methods for me to show. You can continue to use your computer while it's being downloaded, installed and stuff, but later on you'll be prompted to restart it. So you can restart it and it'll be applied and everything should work. Then if you go to advanced options, I believe, you'll see optional updates, Windows updates and driver updates. And we're talking about drivers here, so let's open the driver updates and you can find different updates here. So if there's anything that doesn't work, you can select the update to install, but I wouldn't install drivers connected with things that already work. Of course, I'm talking about drivers here in this exact list because this list simply isn't the greatest. Like for downloading drivers for things that work, it should be used only for things that don't work. But also you can find updates in the browser, so let's maybe do that. I'm just gonna configure the Microsoft Edge and then go to, just type in Lenovo driver something, Lenovo drivers. Okay, I think that I might have lost internet access for whatever reason. Let's go to that website again. Yes, and now you'll see the Lenovo support. So I'm just gonna find maybe the English website. And now you can either detect product or enter your serial number. Serial number can be found at the back, but I'm gonna detect it automatically because in a moment I'm also gonna detect which drivers are needed. So let's click on detect automatically, and I don't have the Lenovo Service Bridge, so it's gonna prompt me to get the Service Bridge. I'm gonna click on continue, and now it'll start checking if I have the Service Bridge, but I don't have it, so let's wait a moment. And you can see that it says that gives me this option that I can download the Lenovo Service Bridge here. Just accept the agreement. If you don't have the Lenovo Service Bridge, of course, then it'll download the exe file. It's of course can be skipped with by entering the serial number, but I prefer it that way because it gives me more options than only finding my device name. And you can see installation is like very quick, and it has already found my device. You can see it's listed here, and I have the drivers and software. And you can of course go to manual update and manually update your just select the drivers to download, but I'm gonna click on scan now and wait until it scans for which drivers I'm missing on my device. So click on start scan. Now it'll connect itself to the Lenovo Service Bridge. I don't have the system update application, so let's install that. Why not? Let's click on yes. And I'm gonna get back to you when it scans. And it actually says that I have no updates required, but I'm gonna go back to the previous page. Let's also go to manual driver update, and what I'm gonna do is go to fingerprint reader, because I know it doesn't work on my device right now. So let's download the fingerprint reader driver, and different drivers may have a bit different installation process, but usually it'll be just opening the file, clicking on yes, then the installation windows will show up, click on next, accept the agreement, click on next, then you can change the path, but I'm gonna leave it, next, install, finish, and now it shows something, I don't know why, but let's just click on next. Okay, it says it's done, so I'm also gonna check if the driver already works, or if it doesn't, then I can simply restart the device. So I'm gonna go to accounts to find out if the driver works, sign in options, and yes, this option is available right now. I can set it up so it works, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.